Namaste. Welcome to Olympiad Corner. In today's session, we are going to see a geometry problem. The problem goes like this. There is a diagram, okay? It's a square, ABCD is a square, and what they have given is, in the given figure ABCD is a square, CMN is an equilateral triangle. So the triangle that is drawn inside the square CMN, that is an equilateral triangle. All the three sides are equal. If the area of ABCD is 1 square units, okay, so the area of this square is 1 square units, you are supposed to find the area of triangle CMN. Looks very simple, right? Most of the Olympiad problems are like that. The statements look very simple, but only complications come when you are solving the problem. Here, since they have already given the diagram, we need not draw the diagram here. But only thing is, we should know that these two lengths are equal. So DM and BN, they are equal. Now let us call it as X. Okay, so we will take DM and BN as X. Since we don't know anything about these particular length segments, we will take these two line segments as X. And then let us take the sides, okay, the sides of the equilateral triangle as Y. So MC, CN and MN, all the three sides are taken as Y. So we have taken two unknowns, X and Y. Now what is the total area of the equilateral triangle? It is the total area of the square minus these three portions, 1, 2 and 3, right? If you remove all these things, what is going to remain? Only the equilateral triangle is going to remain. Therefore, area of this particular triangle is equal to total square area, that is 1 square into 1 minus these three portions, right? We will see how to do it. The first triangle, all the three parts are triangles. So this triangle area is equal to half into base into height, right? So it is half into 1 into x. Since we have taken this as x, so it is half x. Similarly, this triangle is also half x, because half into 1 into x. And what is the area of this triangle? It is, the total length is 1, so this x is removed, so this is 1 minus x. Similarly, total length AB is 1 and x is removed, so this length is 1 minus x. So it is half into base into height, so half into 1 minus x into 1 minus x. So the area of this particular triangle, that is MAN, is equal to 1 minus x whole square divided by 2. Now the triangle CMN, area of triangle CMN is equal to 1 minus the sum of these three parts. So it is 1 minus, now from this half can be removed, I mean it can be taken outside, and what is remaining is x plus x, which is equal to 2x, and 1 minus x whole square, which is equal to 1 plus x square minus 2x. Now here plus 2x and minus 2x, they get cancelled, and what is remaining is 1 plus x whole square, 1 plus x square divided by 2. So 1 minus 1 plus x square divided by 2, that is the area of the triangle CMN. Now 1 plus x square is nothing but y square, because this is 1 and this is x. So a square plus b square equal to c square. Because it is a right angle triangle, we can apply Pythagoras theorem or Bodhayana theorem. So this square plus this square is equal to cm square. Now this is 1 and this is x, therefore 1 square plus x square is equal to y square. So in the place of 1 plus x square, I can write y square. So the triangle's area, CMN's area, is equal to 1 minus y square divided by 2. One expression. But we can also find the area of this triangle CMN in another way, because we know that the area, I mean the side is taken as y, right? And also it is an equilateral triangle. So if the side is y, the area of the equilateral triangle will be root 3 divided by 4 into y square. So we will write the area in that way. So root 3 divided by 4 into y square. Now both these expressions are giving the value of the area of the triangle. So what we can do is we can compare them, we can equate them. So 1 minus y square divided by 2 is equal to root 3 divided by 4 into y square. So these two expressions are compared to each other. So what happens, we can get the value of y square from this expression, simple algebra, we can get the value of y square. Remember, you need not find the value of y, I will tell you why later. So we have found the value of y square, that is equal to 4 divided by 2 plus root 3. 4 divided by 2 plus root 3. How did we get this? By simplifying this. Now, what is the area of the triangle? Area of triangle is root 3 divided by 4 y square. Now, whatever value we have got for y square can be directly substituted here in this equation, equation number 2, and that is why I told you we need not find the value of y. So, we have got the value of y square, keep it as it is and just substitute that in the second equation. So, the area of triangle CMN is equal to root 3 divided by 4 into y square, and in the place of y square we will write 4 divided by 2 plus root 3. Now, you can do some rationalize the denominator, because the denominator we have 2 plus root 3. So, you can take multiplying factor 2 minus root 3 and multiply and divide, and all those simplification can be done. So, therefore, finding the value of triangle CMN, it is root 3 by 4 into y square, which is equal to 2 root 3 minus 3 square units. 2 root 3 minus 3 square units. We have just substituted this value in this expression, and 4 and 4 got cancelled. So, it will be root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3, which is equal to 2 root 3 minus 3. That is the area of this particular triangle. Little bit of algebra comes at the end of the solution, otherwise everything else is very decent, direct solution. The diagram is given in the problem itself, so we need not draw the diagram again. Only thing is, get all the information, whatever statement says, you have to consider all the information and solve the problem. We had got two unknowns x and y, but we cannot keep those unknowns in the final answer. Remember, whatever unknowns you have introduced while solving the problem, those new unknowns should not be there in the final answer. So, we have eliminated x and y, finally we got the numerical value. A very nice Olympiad problem. Go through it once again. I hope you understood this. Thank you very much.